Morning viewers. Yeah, we're about to leave Quorn today in the direction of Burra. Yeah, 3 weeks have passed. We're on our last week now, slowly heading home. Probably only got about another 5 more nights along the way. 2 of those will be with my sister in near Mohr. So yeah, today's destination is Burra, and we'll see. We might most likely camp there for the night. Okay, see you out on the road. Bugger. I was going to go and have a look at this alligator gorge. Park closed. It's closed. Oh well. Not much I can do about that. Welcome to Mohr. Last time I was here we had a massive rainstorm. I'll see if I've got some footage for you. And this is where we camped, on the side here, on the right hand side. The footage I've got was from that pub there on the balcony, and it was massive rainstorm, never seen anything like it. But anyway, we're going to stop here and have a bit of a break, have a cup of coffee, I think. So Darren and Petros, do you remember this place? Especially the pub here on the corner. Okay. Cup of coffee and a ham and cheese toastie. Is it good, Tin? Very good. Okay, back on the road again, in the direction of Peterborough, and yeah, this place brings back fond memories. Nice little town actually. to Peterborough. Nice old steam train. So this is the town centre. Very historical town. Nice old buildings. A fair bit of railway history here. Okay, we just stopped in Peterborough. Just need to get some information to work out how to get to Burra from here. Basically we've got to take a road out towards Broken Hill and make a right hand turn somewhere. But yeah, just had to get the maps out and check it all out and see and make sure 100% that we're in the right direction. Yeah, we got to take the Broken Hill Road.
Broken Hill Road?
Yeah, and then once we get out of township, maybe 30 or 40 k's out, I'm not too sure, but there should be a turn off towards the right. Okay, looking at the map, it looks like I know where we're going. At least I think I do. I'm not going to tell Tim that. We'll work out when we get there. Okay, I think I've worked it out how to get to Burra from here. It's not too confusing, it's just that we've got to head out in the direction of Broken Hill but then turn off. So hopefully there's a couple of signs along the way. Okay, we're in Hallett. We're actually going to pull over here and let this truck get a bit further. Have a bit of a browse around the township I've never ever stopped in before. But yeah, we're going to pull over here. And in actual fact, I have been here before. How you going? Yeah. Hey lady, what are you doing? Great stuff. Yeah, that was just a quick stop at Hallett, and it's funny, we've actually been there before in the car a long time ago. The cafe that we went to just to get a cold drink was the place that we went last time. It's funny how you stumble across little townships and whatnot that you've been before, but you know, you think you haven't. Anyway, it's only another 32 k's to Burra, and we'll head off to the campground, get a campsite and settle down and have a good look around. Okay, we're in Burra. There's two parts of Burra. I think this is the one first entrance, and then there's another entrance as well. But we'll go along this way and see what's on offer. A lot of beautiful old historical buildings here. That's why I want to stay here. Have a good look around. So what we'll do first is head into the main part. This is the Burra Mine historical site, which we'll go and have a look at later on. But we'll go into the main town. We'll get some petrol and look for some accommodation. We might be camping here for the night. We'll just see. Nice old church to the right of me, and another nice old church, and this is coming into the main part of Burra. So we'll go to the petrol station first and find out about a caravan park. Okay, we got petrol, we're all right for tomorrow, and apparently the camping ground is just down here on the left. Oh, yep. This reception office. Okay, viewers, 20 bucks to camp here for the night. Nice grassy spot underneath a tree, walking distance into Burra shops, so that's excellent. Let me show you the site. So the bikes park on the gravel. Tent on the grass, which is really good. Jen's getting everything ready. It's only a small caravan park, and they've only got a small area for the tents, but at least it's grass. The other places that we've stayed has either been rock or sand, and over there in the distance is the camp kitchen, so it's just a walking distance from our tent, which is excellent. Okay, we've just been to the shop, grabbed a few snacks. We're going to sit back and enjoy some olives, smoked mussels or smoked oysters, a bit of chili cream cheese, anchovies, biscuits and beer. Lovely. And later on we're going to go for a walk into Burra. Good. Okay, this is the Unicorn Brewery, and where we're standing there's all these cellars underneath, and there must be all these air vents, but yeah, not much left of it. Used to be a big tower behind this building, and the original homes is just on the side here. So these are the brewery cottages. So we're going to have a bit of a walk around Burra, take in a few of the historical buildings, check it out. Okay, it's just a short little walk across this bridge, and we are in town. And our caravan park is just off to the right of me, behind those trees there. And this is actually a river, but there's no water flowing at the moment. So we've got a church over there, another nice building here. This is going down to the main street, the town hall, and Tin crossing the road right now. She's off to the butcher. Burra town hall. Okay, we'll go check out what the butcher's like. There you are. Okay, we've just got one Scotch fillet, 360 grams, which is quite a decent size. So we're going to cut it in half. We've already got pork ribs for marinated for dinner as well. So yeah, we should have a pretty good feed tonight. So we found one of her favourite shops, clothes shops. Burra Hotel over there, and then you've got the War Memorial in the middle of town. Chef, Master Chef.
Master Chef.
Master Chef Thailand. How you going there, Tin? The chili explode in your face? My eyes are sore too. Anyway, we got pork with chili, potato salad, Caesar salad, pasta salad, Great Northern. Let's enjoy.